Let me show you how to use your mobile phone as a microphone. I mean the best way to turn your mobile phone into a microphone to get a clean sound or audio without any background noise. This sound you are hearing now is from the video, not the microphone. I'm now going to turn on my microphone. So wait and see. Now my microphone is also on. So guys, all you need to do is make sure you watch the full video. Don't skip any part of this video, else you will miss the steps. Let's start. But before, you need to have two mobile phones, one for your video recording and the second one to use as your microphone. Hope you are clear. After everything, we are going to be adding this audio here to our video, which is the most important part of this whole video. That's why I said don't skip to miss the steps, and I'm going to teach you all for free. That is the most important part, adding your audio to your video. I'm going to teach you everything for free. Okay guys, we are going to be using this particular app, which is built in mic. It gives a clean sound or audio exactly like original microphone. The app is called Motif Audio. Go and download it now. It is available on Play Store and App Store. Go and get it now and let's start our project. Okay, now the app is open. This is the interface of the app. There are some few settings let me take you through before we proceed. If you come here at your left down corner, there is this button you can see which is device. Okay, so when you open this device here, you will see this line. There is a line here. This particular line, what it does is the more you increase it, the more it captures or it gains sounds or noise around you. So it is always advisable to put this line lower or to decrease this line. Okay, to decrease it if you have a noisy surrounding. That's why I decrease mine to 3.0. so this mic gain, that's what it does. And the second one is recording. This recording you use to start or end your recordings. And we have here library. This library is where you saved your audios or where your audios are saved. Okay, when you stop them here, you save them here, automatically you find them here. Okay, they are saved here. And when you come to these settings, you can choose to turn this on to keep your screen awake. If you don't want your screen to go off, if you don't want your screen to sleep whilst recording, just turn this button on. Okay, so now let's start our tutorial. This sound you are hearing now is from the video, not the microphone. I'm now going to turn on my microphone. So wait and see. Now my microphone is also on. So guys, the video has already started, so definitely it is going to be longer than this audio. So to make it easy for you when adding this audio to your video, make sure you make something, you make a sound or something to mark, to recognize the beginning of your video and your audio. Okay, you can choose to clap your hand when starting, so that it will be easy for you when editing for you to join them together. Okay, you will understand this more when we get to the editing part. My camera is set, my microphone is also on. So let me go like this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a tutorial on how to use your mobile phone as a microphone or turn your mobile phone into a microphone. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and also leave your comments. So I'm done. Now you can save your audio. Now you save your audio and then you save your video also. Now we have our video and audio saved. So let's go to the editing part to add our audio to our video. Let's go there. Now we are going to the editing part to add our audio to our video, but make sure you transfer the audio and the video and have them all in one phone, one device. I mean the one you are going to use for the editing. Okay, now you can go ahead and open your editing software. For me, I use this particular one called InShot. It is also one of the best editing software. You can try it out. Now we are going to create new project. Go and select or choose your video. Go and select your video from your device. Okay, new. This is our video. Let's select it. Okay, that is our video. Okay, now our video have been selected. The next thing is to add our audio. Now let's go and select our audio. Go to music, click. Now you will see my music. Click on it. Now this is our audio, but let's first play to see if that is our audio. My camera is set. Exactly, that is our audio. Let's add. My camera is set. My camera. Guys, here is the most important part. This is called synchronization, to make your audio flow together with your video or make your audio match your video. That is what you can see me dragging my audio up and down, trying to sync it with my video. That is why it is always advisable to make something to mark the beginning of your audio or your video, so that it will be easy for you to sync your audio to your video. The camera is set. My microphone is also on. I think now it's okay. Everything is flowing together. Let's try again and see. Camera is set. My camera is set. My microphone is also on. So let me go like this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a tutorial on how to use your mobile phone as a microphone, or turn your mobile phone into a microphone. Now all is good. The next thing is we are going to turn off the volume of the original video and leave only the audio to play. Okay, because we have two sounds here, and when you allow both of them to play, your sound or audio is going to look bad. So turn off the volume of the original video and leave only the audio. Camera is set. My microphone is also on. So let me go like this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a tutorial on how to use your mobile phone as a microphone, or turn your mobile phone into a microphone. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also leave your comment. So I'm done. You can see now we got a perfect, neat and clean sound. Okay, if there's a portion or part of the video you don't want, make sure you drag your video. Just drag it and make sure this line, this straight line here, is exactly at the part or portion you don't want. Okay, then you split it. When you split, then you delete the part or the portion you don't want. Okay, it is very simple as that. Finally, you can add your text. Okay, I'm going to be adding my channel's name, which is Ghana for Life. Then I'm going to choose a different font. I'm going to change the font. I think this one, no, let me go with this one. I think this one is good. Then I will change the color of the font, the text. You can choose any color you want, how you want it to look. And then after, I will make it small and drag it to the corner. Okay, I'll drag it into the top corner, but for you, you can choose to add it anywhere you want. Finally, our video is ready. I'm going to export my video, then post my video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.